Although software testing has long been an integral part of the overall software development cycle, mobile app testing is gaining more attention. So, how is it possible to test and optimize all these different mobile apps developed for different devices and operating systems? Well, in this video, you'll learn about a feature of Android Studio that can help you with this: the Android Virtual Device, or AVD Manager. You can use the AVD Manager to ensure that Android apps are well optimized for different devices. More specifically, this tool allows you to define the various features of a physical device, such as an Android phone, that you want to create and simulate in the Android emulator. By creating and configuring these virtual devices, you can test your apps across multiple devices without necessarily purchasing physical devices. Now, let's take a moment to explore the AVD Manager available from the Android Studio IDE, or Integrated Development Environment. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the Android Virtual Device Manager, or AVD interface. I'll start by opening Android Studio. To access the AVD interface, I go to the top right of the Android Studio environment and click on the three-dotted menu for more actions. Then, I select Virtual Device Manager. This opens a new window. On this page, there are two major features. You can create a device, and you have access to a list of previously created virtual devices. With each virtual device listing, which includes the device name and Android version, also referred to as API level, you can perform various actions, as indicated by the icons on the upper right-hand side. For example, if you click the play button, it will run the emulator on the virtual device you have selected. You can edit the device by clicking the pencil button. This allows you to edit and save any changes you make to the properties of the virtual device with the help of the device editor. There are also additional action options if you click on the triangular drop-down menu. These actions range from duplicating to deleting a selected virtual device. Now, to create a new device, you can click on the Create Device button. Once again, this opens a new window. Here, you can create and configure a new virtual device based on your specifications and requirements. You'll be able to select the physical device you want to emulate and set and edit any required properties. And that's an overview of the major features of the AVD interface, from launching an emulator on an existing virtual device to creating new ones. You've now had the chance to preview some features of the AVD Manager interface. Later, you will learn how to use the AVD Manager to create your own emulator.